Hello, today we're going to be talking about cutting tinions, and we're going to be using three basic tools. The first one is a marking gauge. We use this to mark off the tinions. The next one is a crosscut saw. We use this to cut the shoulder line for our tinions. And the third one is a tinion saw, which we use this to cut the cheeks on the tinion.
I start by using a marking gauge to scribe a line on all four faces of the board to mark the shoulder. I then reset the marking gauge and mark the thickness of the tinion. I follow this up with a chisel that's angled, and I scribe along the lines that I just made, and the goal is to deepen the saw curve. My crosscut saw is then used to saw down to the top face of the cheek. I flip the board over and do the same on the other side. I then grab my tinion saw, and here I saw all the way down to the shoulder line. Sometimes when you're doing this, the side that you're cutting on doesn't pop off, so then you can grab a chisel and your mallet and knock it free. And then all that's left is to finish cutting the edges of the tinion. And there you have the final product, and now it's time for you to try.